it's Wednesday, which means it's our Wednesday exercise of the week. My name is Emmanuel Osiseri, your online personal trainer and wellness coach. And today we're back at the gym and I want to show you guys this calf raise machine. Very simple to do and set up, so here we go. So the first thing we want to do is we want to make sure that we have the right height. So we're going to stand on this platform here and you want to be able to stand under these shoulder pads with about a slight knee bend, and we want to propel ourselves up by squeezing our calves and standing on our tippy toes. A slight 2-second hold, and then we want to slowly come back down nice and controlled, rinse and repeat. Now we can also target different areas of our calves by turning our toes either in or out. So if I turn my toes inward and go up, I'm actually working the outer calves, and if I turn my calves outwards, I'm actually working the inner calves. So it's a little bit opposite there, but guys, I hope this helps. As usual, I had a blast making this video for you guys. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, tap that subscribe button, and let's do this again sometime.